Hey guys, today we're back. Now this is a water dispenser. And see, yeah, I have this. I have a bread. I have a steak. And don't forget apple. So this is now the water dispenser, and I also make a food dispenser. So I would like to get a food from my room. I don't have to go to the fridge. So today this is a tutorial on how to make a water dispenser in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Not a water bottle from because oh my god, I wasn't even holding this. I need to fix this. I'm so sorry guys. Gosh, it broke. Yeah, let's go. Sorry guys, this is how it made. Wait, now turn my bottle first. There we go. So first, for my items, you would need this. This. We need this. And last but not least, wait, what yet last? There. Button grabber. Wait, let me see. Yep, this. So this is how you make it. Now let's go. So I'm gonna build it out. So here we go. So we're gonna build it. So mind it like that. So you crouch. There you go. Now easily like, gosh, forgot the quartz. There you go. Okay. Not too high. Item frame. There we go. Now you put anything you want to put there, like golden apple. Put it there, and you put it in the dropper. No redstone or anything. Just you will get a golden apple. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's only like 3 minutes. Yeah, but I still hope you enjoyed this video and leave a like on this video. So bye guys. Oh yeah, see y'all on the next Minecraft video. Bye.